Hello friends. Friends, today we will discuss about electric potential and electric potential difference. First of all, let us discuss about electric potential. Now, by the physics point of view, the meaning of electric potential is the uh, work done in moving a unit positive test charge from infinity to that point against the electric force of the field. Now, what is the meaning of this? Now, suppose here is a point P, and this point P is placed in a electric field. Okay, and suppose the range of the electric field is still here, till here. It means that this electric field cannot influence any other charge outside this range, outside this circle. Now, suppose here is placed a test charge plus Q. Okay, and if we want to move this charge from here to this range or at this point, we have to do some work, and this work done to move a charge from infinity to a particular point placed in an electric field is known as electric potential. Now, what is the meaning of infinity here? What is the meaning of infinity here? Infinity means that this charge is placed outside the range of this electric field. So potential is denoted by V because it is the work done in moving a charge from infinity to a particular point. It is given by W by Q, or this equals to, what is the unit of W? 1 joule. 1 joule by 1 coulomb. So 1 volt equals to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. This is the definition of the electric potential. I hope you have understood this. Now let us discuss it further. Now, what is the meaning of this electric potential difference? Now, meaning of this electric potential difference. Okay, we will understand this meaning with the help of an example, because we have to understood what is the meaning of high potential energy, what is the meaning of low potential energy. Now, suppose here is a table and a toy is placed here, and a toy is placed here, a moving toy having wheel is placed here. Okay, and here is a kid, and here is a kid, and who is playing with this toy. Now this toy is at the position of high potential energy. Now, what is the meaning of potential energy? Potential energy means that is the energy due to the position, due to the height, due to the orientation. Okay. Now, suppose this moving toy falls down. Now, this toy is now at low potential energy. Firstly, it was at high potential energy. Now, it is at low potential energy. Again, the kid will take this toy and again place it here, and again while playing with this toy, the toy falls down. Now toy is moving from the high potential energy to low potential energy, and again with the help of this kid it is moving from low potential energy to high potential energy position. Okay, now this is a general example that I want to discuss. Now what happened here, that now suppose here is electric wire and here is a cell having positive terminal, having negative terminal, or you can also make this diagram like this. Okay, and here in the path there is a bulb. Okay, here in this path there is a bulb. This is the same diagram. Here I am using the symbol of the cell. Positive side is noted by a lengthier line and the negative side by the shorter one. Now what basically is happening here? What is happening here, that this electrons in the wire, there are electrons which are moving. Why these electrons are moving? Due to this cell, because the chemical reaction under the cell will move these electrons, because electron is a negative charge, this negative side is a negative charge, and electrons are moving from this side to this side. Okay, but by convention, if we say electrons are moving from this to this, then current will move from this to this direction. Okay, this is by convention. Now by convention, the direction of the current will be like this, okay. So here the positive charge, now this side is positively charged. Okay, we can say that this side is having high potential energy, because the current is moving from this direction to this direction, and due to this current, this bulb will get heated and will get lighten up due to the process of the bulb. I am not going into that detail. And then this side, from this, suppose this is just like this line now. Okay, now this line will have low potential energy, because the high potential energy is transferring from here to here, and it transferred all its energy to the bulb, and here it is low potential energy wire is there. Okay, now this high potential energy, positive side, low potential energy, negative side. Now what is basically this? This is the work done in moving a charge from one position to another position. Work done in moving a charge from one position point A to another position point B. This is known as electric potential difference, VA minus VB, work done in moving a charge from A to B. Okay, this is known as electric potential difference. In electric potential, we say that it is the work in moving a charge from infinity to a particular point in an electric field. Here it is moving a charge from point A to point B. Okay, so basically charge is moving from high potential energy to low potential energy. Okay, charge is moving from high potential energy to low potential energy. Again, within this there will be a chemical reaction. Suppose we want to, because the unit will be joule per coulomb. Suppose the work done is 10 joule per coulomb. What is the meaning of this? That is 1 coulomb of charge will result in movement of 10 joule of energy. Okay, so by definition, electric potential difference is work done in moving a charge from point A to point B. This is the meaning of electric potential difference. I hope you have understood the meaning of electric potential and electric potential difference. Thank you. Thanks a lot.